Today I'm here to show you Parker's newest release. That's the Solo Edge. That's a single edge razor that will carry either this half split DE blades or actually your usual go-to DE blade. All you have to do is snip it in half. But this razor is absolutely beautiful. It's all made in brass. It has 94 grams and the length is almost 10 centimeters, so almost 4 inches. And that's a really beautiful razor. The shaving angle is very similar to the cartridges. So for those of you who would like to transition to a more sustainable and traditional shaving, this could be a great option. And this is actually a two-piece razor. You unscrew the handle and the safety bar. The base plate will actually remain within the handle. You see those notches over here? That's where your blade is gonna sit. You just carefully take your blade and put it there, and then you simply just take your top cap and hold it in place, and then you just twist back your razor. I like to hold the top cap with my thumb, and there you go. So very easy to use, easy to load, beautiful, heavy, sturdy razor, and looking forward to shaving with it. Just stay tuned on the YouTube channel, and I'll see you next time.